What's the difference between high blood pressure and low blood pressure? Let's talk about that. I think most people know what high blood pressure is. It's when your blood pressure is higher than it should be, and that can damage your heart and vessels over time. That can cause heart attacks and strokes. But what is low blood pressure? Is it really a problem? Well, low blood pressure is when your blood pressure goes below 90/60. Now, that may not sound like a big deal, but if you have low blood pressure, you may not have enough blood flow to all the organs in your body, including your brain, so you can actually feel kind of fuzzy-headed or weak or dizzy. You know, I used to have low blood pressure all the time when I was a kid, and I would get really lightheaded if I stood up too fast. And sometimes I would even pass out, especially when I was, exercising and doing sports. Now, if you have low blood pressure, that can be a bigger problem if you're also taking medications that lower your blood pressure. So some people have low blood pressure, and they don't even know it because there are no symptoms. You just want to make sure you have enough salt in your diet. Okay? And also make sure you're getting enough fluids. Sometimes if you're dehydrated, that can make your blood pressure go low. Also, if you're an athlete and you exercise a lot, that can also make your blood pressure go lower than normal. Now, there are certain medications that can help lower your blood pressure, like diuretics, for example, but you don't want to take those unless your doctor tells you to, because they can make your blood pressure go too low. Okay, now, here's the thing about blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, you want to work on lowering it, because that can be very dangerous. But if you have low blood pressure, you really don't want to lower it any more than it is, because you want to have enough blood flow to all the organs in your body. So, if you're exercising and you start feeling weak and dizzy, that means your blood pressure is probably getting too low and you should stop exercising and probably take a nap and drink some water. And maybe eat a little salt, and then your blood pressure will go up. So you can see how this works. High blood pressure is bad. Low blood pressure can be bad, but you don't want to lower it any further if it's already low. So I hope this video helps you understand the difference between high blood pressure and low blood pressure. And if you have questions about your own blood pressure, make sure you talk to your doctor. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of this content, it would be great to hear about your success story. Please share it in the link down below.